Hey guys, it's Arcade, and I look like a news anchor, but today I got a new video for you, and in this one I'm gonna show you a few of the biggest hits that I turned into future house style. So I did a similar video before where I turned classical music into EDM, and this is pretty much the same, except I'm not gonna show you the whole process of me making it, but I'm just gonna show you the finished results. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this kind of video as well, and also don't forget to check out my Instagram where I finally started posting stuff, and check out my sample packs, cause I need to pay rent. That being said, let's get started with the first song. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a short one, but I thought it would be cool to show you off these little remixes, and I hope you enjoyed them. Like I said before, don't forget to check out my Instagram and my sample packs. And if you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to leave a like. That's pretty much all I have to say. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.